Well, more cities across the great state of New York are looking for ways to provide services and keep track of immigrants. Our Capitol correspondent Morgan Mackay explaining tonight why cities are issuing ID cards to immigrants and why this could have a larger statewide impact very soon.
On Tuesday, Kingston City Council passed legislation that would allow for anyone over the age of 10, including the homeless, elderly, and even immigrants, to apply for a municipal identification card. This card has many uses and can be used for senior citizens to access cheaper city services and also by immigrants during interactions with law enforcement or to access health care.
At some point, they're going to show up in your emergency room, they're going to show up in your hospital, someone's going to pick up the cost, but let's make sure they're counted properly to be part of our census, because that determines the funding this state receives to provide services.
As Assemblyman John McDonald points out, people will still use a hospital regardless of immigration status, but allowing for them to be accounted for can help later for state and local budgets.
Municipal governments have to provide services to these residents. They don't have a choice.
Right now, besides Kingston, 3 other communities offer the municipal identification program: New York City, Poughkeepsie, and Middletown. But this could soon be a statewide issue.
What do we want?
Driver's license!
When do we want it?
Now!
Earlier this year, there was a push to allow for immigrants to be able to apply for driver's licenses. Critics of the bill were worried that this would give people a backdoor to immigration. However, others argue that this just gave immigrants access to basic services.
Literally just trying to do what's right. Go to church, go to the doctor, go to school, go to work. And people are denying them that access. For what reason? There is no good reason.
Governor Andrew Cuomo has voiced his support in the past to allow immigrants to apply for driver's licenses. So this most likely will be something brought up again this next legislative year. Reporting from the Capitol, I'm Morgan Mackay.